Hi guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela from Digital Chaos, your Chilean affiliate. Today I'm going to bring you ProfitMailrr. Well, first of all, I want to tell you that today I have you a huge bonus bundle, really awesome bonuses, okay? So, before we go into what the program is, I want to tell you that if you want to skip the intro, you want to go straight to the bonuses or straight to the demo, whatever, down below in the description, I left you the timeline, okay? So you can click on the timeline and go straight to the part you want. Well, ProfitMailrr is an affiliate-friendly email autoresponder with limitless functionalities and a huge profit potential. It is meant for everybody, but some of the upsells it comes with are especially useful for affiliates. So now it's time to say goodbye and stop wasting thousands of dollars annually on old school autoresponders. It has the same features as a common autoresponder, let's say like MailChimp, GetResponse, aWeber, etc. And these features are like, for example, high deliverability, drag and drop email builder, done for you email templates and autoresponders, split testing, lead tracking, in-depth reporting, etc. All this is included. But it also has something very important that the other ones don't. For example, unlimited contact, send unlimited emails, get unlimited subscribers. You know, in any other autoresponder, the more contacts you have, the bigger the plan you need to have, and the more expensive it is. The same if the amount of emails you can send. They're limited. If you want to send more emails, you have to upgrade your plan, and so on and so forward. But the most important and huge is it is a just one-time live payment. So you never ever will pay again. So forget about monthly payments and forget about all the upgrades you need to do because your list is growing or you need to send more emails, etc. And this is the idea of this autoresponder, to become the biggest rival of aWeber, MailChimp, GetResponse, Sendinblue, by enabling you to do email marketing with the same functionalities for years to come without spending any other dime. So if you want to grab your copy of this one, go down below into the description and click the link I left you over there, okay? Alright, besides this being a great product, also comes, like I said before, with a huge bonus bundle. I have a big surprise for you. So before we go into the demo, I want to talk about the bonuses, okay? Because I think this is the biggest bonus giveaway you will ever find. Listen guys, apart from the vendor bonuses, I'll be giving you 4 extra bonuses with the purchase of the front end. But it doesn't stop here, okay? If you purchase just one of the upsells, you're gonna get all the vendor bonuses, plus all the 4 bonuses from the front end, plus 2 extra bonuses and 1 huge bonus package that contains inside 7 awesome bonuses, okay? So that make a total of 13 awesome bonuses. But if you purchase the front end plus 2 upsells, you're gonna get the same 13 bonuses plus another extra 2 bonuses and 1 monster bonus pack that contains 6 more bonuses inside. So that makes a total of 21 bonuses. And I won't stop here. If you buy the front end plus 3 upsells, alright, you're gonna get the same 21 bonuses plus a super booster exclusive bonus pack consisting in full access to 7 of the best products ever released. Yes, you heard right, so stay tuned till the end because at the end I'm gonna explain you how to claim your bonuses, okay? But first, we're gonna go through all of them very quick because there are a lot of bonuses, okay? And I'm sure you're gonna find familiar many of them. Let's go. Alright guys, here we are inside my personal bonus page, okay? First of all, I'm gonna go very quick through the funnel under prices, okay? The front end is the ProfitMailrr. It's just $17, okay? And you access the powerful ProfitMailrr software and all the training modules, everything included, okay? For just $17, which is very, very good. The upsell number 1 is $37, and in this one you can have unlimited accounts, form, leads, emails, autoresponders, and more. This means not just one email, but several emails. If you want to have 2 or 3, you have unlimited accounts, okay? Then for the upsell number 2, which is the automation, costs $37, allows you to schedule your campaigns, okay? To say whenever you want to send them. The number 3 costs $197 because this is done for you personal setup by the team of developers, okay? They will set up everything for you, so you don't have to do anything at all, okay? The upsell number 4 is done for you campaigns. This costs $47, okay? And this is all top software, all set for you to sell as your own. All right. Upsell number 5 is reseller, which costs $47, and you get commissions and affiliate materials for ProfitMailrr. Number 6 is the traffic, $197, okay, because this traffic your Google and Facebook pixels to the top selling pages. Number 7 is the traffic saver pack, which costs only $27. I have this one, and this is a Warrior Plus Saver membership. This means you get past products and products added through the month available on a monthly membership. All right, so you're gonna get every month products from Warrior Plus uploaded. All right. And the upsell number 8 is the ProfitMailrr Goldmine 1K Club, which is $37. But don't ask me what is this, because I don't have it. Of course, I can't have all of them upsells. I just have number 1, which is the unlimited, number 2, the automation, and then I have the number 7, which is the Warrior Plus Saver membership. All right, so let's scroll down a little bit. Here you're gonna have a small demo, which is I have it on my video as well. Okay, so here we go to the bonuses. Okay. So bonus number 1, which has a value of $427, is the CPA coffee shop method. The CPA coffee shop method allowed you to work from anywhere in the world, giving you time and freedom. Then we go over our bonus number 2, which has a value of $46, okay? And it's called Jono's CPA Profit Hack number 1. In this tutorial, Jono Armstrong is going to show you how to get some super cheap traffic to your landing page and also to your Facebook pixel. Now we go over the bonus number 3, which is the cross-link randomizer. This has a value of $344. Well, you know, when you have a web page, you need to have cross-links to other web pages, okay? So this cross-link randomizer allows you an easy and automatic way to do it, avoiding search engine issues. Then we go over our bonus number 4, which has a value of $267. And this is a tutorial how to crush it with YouTube. So if you do YouTube, this is going to be very helpful for you. All right. And you have resale rights on this one. Okay. And then bonus number 5, which a value of $197, are all the vendors bonuses. Okay. All vendor bonuses if you take action today. All right, guys. All these bonuses are included with the front end. Now we're going to go over the other bonuses that I will be giving you if you get 1 upsell, 2 upsells, or up to 3 upsells, okay? Besides that, I just want to let you know that if you click here to secure your copy before you go to the sales page, okay, if you click here, it's going to open another window, all right, from Munchai. Whether you buy or not, if you put your email here, you're going to get this free bonus for free, okay? If we keep scrolling down, okay, you have ebook number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, that you can put your email here and you get all the one of them, the one you choose. All these ebooks are made by Munchai, so they're really good ebooks. Okay, I highly recommend you to do one. But if you don't want to get any of this, you just click here and you go straight to the sales page. All right. All right, guys, now it's time to go to the other bonuses that I told you before, and this is the big part. Okay, please make sure you stay tuned with me, because I'm going to give you the instructions after I finish this to how to claim these bonuses for you, okay? Okay, so if you purchase the front end along with one of the any one of the upgrades, you can get access to all these 3 bonuses here. Well, more than 3 are 9 bonuses. The first one is the list building profit kit. I'm not going to go deep on it because we have too many to discuss now, which is worth $97. The other one is affiliate monster, which was $147. And then I have a super bonus package for you, which is worth $1,029. It includes 100 background music tracks, 170 high quality stock images bundle, 16 stock video clips HD, YouTube easy video course, niche and keyword research, Facebook lead authority, and high ticket authority. Okay, all these you get, all these 3, plus all the other ones that I showed you before if you get just one of the upgrades, okay? What happens now if you get 2 upgrades? Along with the front end, you will get all these 3 plus all the other ones that I showed you before, plus now 6 done for you funnels with lead pages and gift, plus sales pages with products to sell. All right, this is worth $397. Plus also, if you are WordPress lover, you're gonna get 10 exclusive plugins, which is worth $497. Okay, these are all downloadable bonuses that I will providing you the links. Okay, and the Mega Monster bonus package, which is worth $1,522. Inside this, you will find how to make 2 kilo a day video training, Rapid Google Account Creator, Prestige, 20 WordPress plugins, so now you're getting 30 plugins, 70 sales letter templates, and the IM toolkit. All right. And now, what happens if you get, like I do, I have the front end and 3 other upsells. What happens if you get 3 upsells with your front end? You're gonna get the Super Booster exclusive bonus plus all this what I was telling you not right now, plus all the other bonuses I show you in the bonus page before. Okay, so the first one is the Ripple, which you're gonna get full access to this program. Okay, then you're gonna get expansion, again full access to expansion, now full access to hypnotic, full access to magnetic, full access to awakening, full access to boss funnels, and full access to amazing. All right. Okay, all you have to do, whether you get 1, 2, or 3 upsells, is write an email directly to me, Carlos, to my email address that you're seeing right now in the screen, which is info@digitalchaos.es, with the subject 1 upsell, 2 upsells, or 3 upsells. Okay, plus a screenshot of your receipt, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with the links to download or the instructions in case it is this last package which needs more instructions to download. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like it, and if it happens that you got 3 or more upsells, you're gonna get all these 28 great awesome bonuses. Okay, so just click on the link below in my description, and now it's time to go over to the demo. Okay, all right folks, here we are inside the dashboard of ProfitMailrr, where you can see it's a very clean dashboard, and you have your, first of all, to the left you have your contact lists. Okay, as you see, each of them has a big menu inside. Okay, so the contacts, the email campaigns, the autoresponders, statistics here, settings. I prefer to leave you with a quick video made by the developers, which goes like in fast camera and shows you the basics. Okay, because also you have tutorials, remember that, to learn how to do this. Okay, because if I have to go through all this now, it's gonna take ages. Okay, so here's the quick demo. Alright, and that's all folks. Hope you like it. If it's so, please give me your thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me your thumbs down, no problem. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this and support me. And don't miss this beautiful opportunity to get this great product and up to my 28 bonuses by clicking on my link below here in the description. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. Alright, stay cool, stay safe, and take it easy. Thank you. See you next one.